subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Huawei Android 20 and Android 20 Plus smartphone, the company has now announced its new smartphone under Y series globally called Huawei Y9a. The design of the new Huawei Y9a looks quite identical to Android 20 Plus smartphone, but it has different specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Y9a supports a 6.63-inch Full HD Plus display with 92% screen to body ratio, and it has a 16-megapixel motorized pop-up selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. At the back, the phone features a quad camera setup in a circular module at the top center that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Huawei Y9a comes powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256 GB via nano memory card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on EMUI 10.1 skin on top, and it comes equipped by 4300 mAh battery that supports up to 40 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.5 by 76.5 by 8.95 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the company has not revealed the pricing details of Huawei Y9a smartphone, but we expect the phone to price under 25,000 Indian rupees. And it will be available in Space Silver, Sakura Pink and Midnight Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Y9a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.